Everyone, in this video we are going to discuss average population of each continent. Let me read this question. Now guys, these all are practice uh, assignment that we're trying to give for people who watched our joins videos. Okay, now given the city and country table, query the name of all the continents, okay, and their respective average city population, okay, rounded down to the nearest integer. Okay, very simple. First step, you want to join the two tables. Select star from one is city as A, inner join. What is my second table is country as B. On they have given a joining key also A dot what A dot country code equal to B dot code. Yes, we join the two tables first. Yes. So what is the next step they're asking is we want to query the name of all the continents. Where I will get the continent name? Where I will get the continent name, guys? In the country table, we have a continent, right? So country table is nothing but B dot continent. I will get the continent names. Okay. So in the continent names, what they're asking and their respective average city population. So first we will see what is the output we're getting here. Okay. So you able to understand what is happening. First we join, but the output is not right. So it is not in visible format. So right now I'm just taking continent and their population. Okay, so this continent is from B table. The population I want to take it from the average city population. So they're asking the city population, you want to take it from the city table, that is A table. Now I'm running this code. Let me see first what is happening. So let's say Asia, this is the Asia's city population. But the thing is Asia is repeating many times, correct? So based on whatever the cities that is having Asia, it is repeating multiple times. So how can I make all Asia into a one Asia so that I can get a population's average? So that means you want to group all the continent into a, and then you want to get aggregated functions. It is very simple. They're asking to group by continent, group by one first column. We already seen this first. Guys, please watch my recordings if you're not able to understand this one, which is nothing but indicating the first column. Instead of writing the column again, you can just pause the column index like 1 2 3. Now we grouped the continent. So whenever you're grouping some columns, you want to use an aggregated function for remaining. I'm going to give an average. So that is the question. They want average. So yeah, it's coming, but it's throwing me an error. So I'm reading the question again. It asking to respect to average city population, round or down to the nearest integer. Is what it is asking. It is asking me to round or down it to the nearest integer. How can I round it down? Rounded. It's like down you want to. It's not asking to round. It's asking to round or down. So we have a function called ceiling, right? So let's say ceil and floor we have. Down means let I'm trying to use floor. This will round down of the face. Let's see. Yes. Okay. Floor, round, seal. These are the very important three functions which is required to round the decimals. So please watch my recordings. So in my YouTube, like we have multiple things in my course also. We have multiple split tips of where we want to use floor, seal, and round. Here to round down, I'm using floor. So this is the way to answer this question. Very simple, joining two tables and taking the continent and continent wise each average population we want. That's why we are grouping this continent. Group by one is nothing but a continent, and then we are getting an average of population, right? And then we are rounded it down using floor function. I hope you understood. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks everyone.